published 1733 est, the 16th of January, the 2018, updated 1847 est, the 16th of January 2018. Saturn's largest moon Titan is a world enshrouded in hazy mystery. It's said to be Earth's toxic twin, with systems of liquid methane that give way to rivers and seas, and data from the Cassini mission suggests its atmosphere could even be home to molecules that underlie the building blocks of life. In a stunning throwback image, NASA has revealed another look at Titan, showing the incredible layers of the moon's hazy atmosphere. Scroll down for video. The image released today by NASA reveals just how striking the smoggy moon's haze truly is, appearing like brushstrokes high above the moon. At the time, Cassini was roughly 556 miles 33,083 kilometers from Titan, using data collected as Cassini flew through the upper atmosphere, at about 950 to 1,300 kilometers 590,807 miles above the surface. Researchers have identified what are known as carbon chain anions, and these are thought to be the building blocks of more complex molecules. Researchers say the data from Cassini's plasma spectrometer caps suggest the carbon chains seeded larger molecules at Titan, as they were found to dwindle closer to the moon, while precursors to larger aerosols underwent rapid growth. Not only does the discovery suggest Titan may contain molecules that drive prebiotic chemistry, but it could also help to explain how life sprung up on Earth. According to ESA, the breathtaking image was captured in visible light by the Cassini spacecraft back in March 2005, using its wide-angle camera. At the time, Cassini was roughly 556 miles 33,083 kilometers from Titan. Scientists long suspected the presence of Titan's atmosphere. And, in the decades since Voyager made its first detailed observations, insight on the incredible world has only continued to grow. The image released today by NASA reveals just how striking the smoggy moon's haze truly is, appearing like brushstrokes high above the moon. In this view, individual layers of haze can be distinguished in the upper atmosphere of Titan, Saturn's largest moon. NASA explains, Titan's atmosphere features a rich and complex chemistry originating from methane and nitrogen and evolving into complex molecules, eventually forming the smog that surrounds the moon. In a study released this past summer, scientists investigating Titan's atmosphere revealed they'd discovered large quantities of a chemical that could be an important step on the pathway of life on Earth. The chemical known as vinyl cyanide is used in the process of creating plastics, but, in the harsh environment of Titan, it could form flexible membrane-like structures similar to those surrounding animal and plant cells. It's said to be Earth's toxic twin, with systems of liquid methane that give way to rivers and seas, and data from the Cassini mission suggests its atmosphere could even be home to molecules that underlie the building blocks of life. A view of Titan is pictured. The researchers say they have definitively detected the material, and they suspect a large amount of it may even reach the surface. A separate study revealed the presence of molecules thought to be building blocks of the complex organic compounds that make life possible. The surprise find from the NASA-ESA Cassini mission means the massive moon is now a key target in the search for primitive alien life forms, and it could help to explain the reactions that allowed first life to emerge on Earth. These molecules are thought to be a vital stepping stone on the way to more complex molecules, and scientists say their presence at Titan suggests the process previously only known to exist in the interstellar medium may actually be universal. Scientists long suspected the presence of Titan's atmosphere. And, in the decades since Voyager made its first detailed observations, insight on the incredible world has only continued to grow. The Cassini mission came to a dramatic conclusion in September 2017, when it plunged directly into Saturn's atmosphere. After 20 years in space, including a 7-year mission extension, Cassini's dramatic finale was no surprise. The team carefully planned every aspect of its termination, to expend every last bit of its propellant and crash the spacecraft into Saturn itself, where it would burn up in the atmosphere, and ensure it didn't accidentally contaminate the pristine moons Enceladus and Titan, which have shown potential to support microbial life. Now, scientists are pouring through the data to learn more than ever about the ring planet and its satellites.